Hey guys, what's up? Myself, CA Abhishek Bansal. I'm from Mumbai. I take law and audit for inter and final. And guys, as new syllabus I've announced, people who are direct entry people and people appearing for May 24 for the first time, and you have just appeared for your foundation exams. So you'll be having a lot of confusion, sir. What is there in the old and what was there in the old and what is there in new syllabus? So guys, do not worry. Do not worry. Things are same. Things are same for law paper. So today this video I'm making it for CA Inter Law May 24. All those people appearing for November 23, in case if it does not get clear, sir, what is the syllabus change for May 24? Or people who are in direct entry scheme and they will be appearing specifically for the first time in May 24. Sir, what is there in the new syllabus? People who have taken my Google Drive, pen drive, live lectures appearing for May 24. Sir, what is there in the new syllabus? Or if you are a fresh student, just appeared foundation, just got an announcement that, sir, 1st July, new syllabus came, there was a bomb exploded by the institute. So for May 24, what is there? So I'll tell you what is there in May 24. Firstly, things remain same. Corporate and other laws, 100 marks paper, 100 marks paper. Now, what they have done is, they have added few things and deleted few things. Pattern remains same, 70 marks is MCQ, 70 marks is descriptive and 30 marks is your MCQ. Things remain same. So 70 marks is your descriptive, 30 marks is your MCQ. So chapters, what are the chapters, sir? Everything is same, guys, everything is same. Now, sir, proper breakup, once the detailed content comes, then we'll have an idea. So for Companies Act, preliminary is same topic what we have done. Corporation, same. Prospectus, same chapter. Share capital, same chapter. Deposits, same. Charges, same. Meetings chapter, same. Dividend, same. Counts of company, same. Auditors, same. This is exactly same. What they have added? They have just added one chapter, companies incorporated outside India. This is basically foreign company chapter. So previously this was in CA final, now they have added. So people appearing for May 24, in case November 23 does not happen, or in case you do not clear November 23, or you are a direct entry scheme and have studied through me and appearing in May 24, one chapter is a separate chapter. So you will get this separate video. Do not worry. Do not worry. May 24 people will be studying because it's a new chapter for everybody. Now, what second they have added? They have added LLP Act. So in foundation you have studied LLP. Here there would be detail because they are talking about including important rules. So this is one more addition. So one addition is this, second addition LLP including rules. Third, now 30 marks is your other laws. 30 marks is your other laws. Now other laws mein General Clauses Act remains same. Number 2, interpretation of statutes remains same. Number 3, FEMA. What they have done, they have deleted your Indian Contract Act and negotiable instrument. So these two chapters are deleted. Contract Act is deleted, negotiable is deleted, and they have added what? FEMA again, CA final. So from final they have made it to inter. So how many chapter added? Only 3 chapters added. 3, this is third one. So first what is added? Foreign company chapter added, LLP added along with rules. So it will be more detailed content as compared to foundation. And third chapter is what? FEMA. So this is the addition. Rest everything remains same. So people who have studied through me, do not worry. I have got a lot of message for direct entry people. Do not worry guys, do not worry, things are same. 3 chapters is added. I will be giving you a separate video around Diwali, post Diwali. Because now I'll be making notes and then recording it. So probably around Diwali I'll be uploading a video either through a Google Drive or a YouTube link. You will get it. Do not worry. Altogether May 24 people, as the batches is getting launched very soon. So you can enroll and start registering yourself for the current batches specifically for May 24. So when you study through us, you get one main book, one MCQ book, you will get it, and one compiler. Compiler covers past questions from past papers. So now this chapter is changed for May 24, I'll be updating it, so you're getting that book. Okay, so no change, everything remains same, 3 additions, FEMA is added, negotiable contract deleted. Number 2, we have foreign companies added in Companies Act, and third, LLP is added. LLP, that's it. Nothing much change. So everything remains same. So do not worry guys. So see, ideally you have to clear November 23 if you are appearing for November 23. In case November 23 does not happen, like 0.0001% probability, do not worry, May 24 syllabus same, only 3 different topics are there. So I hope there is much clarity for regards law paper. So when we say corporate and other laws, they have given a breakup. Corporate mein company law is also there, LLP is there. LLP ka marks I think would be around 10 marks. We do not know the exact breakup. Maybe once the module is out, because when I'm recording this video, module was not out till today. I mean, when I'm recording this video. And other laws may, you will see 30 marks, so 30 marks, like we can say 10 marks each chapter. 3 chapters are there. Contract, your favorite chapter is deleted and nego is also deleted. Okay, so not much change. Cool guys, bye, take care. I hope I get to see you on the other side. We have live lectures options, we have recorded options, we have face-to-face option. You can book your Google Drive from today only, and you'll be getting a link once the recording starts. But at least you can be safe. Cool, bye guys, take care, keep smiling and all the best. Bye-bye.